Alright, what is up guys? So I put out some images and text tutorial or step-by-step guide on the Discord server for how to set up a bot using our bot code, but some people were getting confused by that, so I'm going to be showing you step-by-step visually how to do that, so you can just follow along with me. And if any changes are to be made on how this process is done, I will put out a new video. So stick around and we'll get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to come over to Discord developers page here, and the link will be down in the description. You want to come here, you want to click new application, name your application. And if you've already made your application, there will be a timestamp on the screen that you can skip to and get to the next step. So once you make your application, it should come up something like this. So here's FreeBot. You come in here. You're going to come back to this page later, but you're going to need the client ID. You're going to head over to bot, and there will be a button about right here that says add a bot, and then you click that and you'll get this option. Here is where you make your bot's avatar and your bot's name. You're going to need the token for later, as well as the client ID. Alright, so step 2 is you're going to want to come over to GitHub, and if you don't have a GitHub account already, go ahead and make one. And I'm going to go ahead and sign into mine real quick. Okay, so once you sign into GitHub or create a new GitHub account, you want to come over to our repo here, which is where our bot that you will be taking the code from is. This will also be down in the description. So once you come to here, you're going to want to click over here where it says fork, and then also give it a star if you enjoy the bot. It helps out. Also, here's watching. If you click watching, you'll be notified whenever I push an update for the bot. I will also be putting updates in the Discord server, which you can join, and the invite is down in the description. So once you click fork, you will now have a repo in your very own GitHub repo section, which can be accessed by clicking up here where your icon is, going down to your repositories, and then in here you should have something that says my free bot. So obviously when I click on it, it takes me to here because this is the official and I own it, but you will have your very own. It should say your username and then my free bot. So do not put your bot token or client ID in the GitHub repository. Moving on to the next step is glitch. So head over to glitch.com. That will also be in the description. And you want to make a new account or sign in if you have one already. I just sign in with GitHub because you're going to be using your GitHub account anyways. So once you sign in to Glitch, you're going to want to make a new project. Make it Hello Express, and this will take you to the Glitch project editor. I'm going to set my project to dark theme. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do before doing anything else is up here it says colorful willow. Yours will say something else because this is just a temporary project name. You're going to click that, click make this project private. This is very, very important because you do not want people to be able to access your bot and get your bot token. Also change the name to whatever you want. The names are global, so if a name is already taken, for example like PewDiePie, that's obviously a popular name. Anybody who watches PewDiePie would want it, and it's a taken name. It has to be something unique that nobody has. So I'm going to name mine Test Video Bot. There we go. Test Video Bot. Now you're going to click down here where it says Tools, click on logs and drag this window up. Next, click on tools again, get import and export, connect your GitHub account, and if you sign in with GitHub, this process right here will be automatic. Now, click again, tools, get import and export, then click import from GitHub. Here, you are going to write your GitHub username. My GitHub username is KyruX. Yours is whatever you made it. And then follow it with a /my_free_bot. Click OK. Wait for it to import. And now you will see all these files from your repo have now transferred into here. Now, if it doesn't show anything like what I have here, just click up here and refresh the page. Your files will then show up and you can open your logs once more. Here is the next step to getting your bot to actually go online. Remember I said you were going to have to go back to your Discord developer page. So go over there, click on the bot tab, and then click copy token. Then head over back to your glitch, click this folder here that says data, and then go down to settings.json. Right here where it says bot token, copy and paste your bot token here. I am going to be regenerating this token, so if you use it, nothing will happen. You can see now it says, now listening on port 3000, bot is ready. But we're not done. Go back to your Discord developer page, go to general information, and copy your client ID. Go back to glitch, and right here where it says client, bot client ID, you're going to paste the client ID, just like that. The bot prefix. This is how your bot will be triggered every time you want to use a command. We're going to make it !! Owner ID. Now you need to get your owner ID. The way you do this is you go to Discord, you go to user settings, then you go to appearance, wherever that is, there it is. Scroll down, click developer mode. Once you've enabled that, then head back and you're going to find your username wherever it is in whatever server you're using. This is me right here. Right click it and click copy ID. Now head back to glitch, copy and paste your owner ID, which is your ID, right there. Now it says bot is ready, now listening on port 3000. Last step regarding your bot, you're going to click console here and type enable -pnpn. This allows your bot to download packages that are required for some commands, such as the Google command. Once you've done that, you can click console again to close it, and it goes back to your logs. Once it says bot is ready, your bot is now ready to be used. If we head into here, test commands, and type !! ping, we can see that we got a response here. It says syntax error, nothing to worry about there. 15 milliseconds. So the bot has responded and it is online and running. However, Glitch is a free host, but it does not mean that it's the best host. So the way they stay free is if you do not have this window open for 5 minutes, it will turn your bot off and you have to reopen this. The way to get around this problem is by clicking here where it says share, go to live app, and click copy on the first link here. Now head over to Uptime Robot, also in the description. You're going to click start monitoring, and if you have not made an account, go ahead and make one now, but I have one, so I'm going to log in. Once you have logged in, you will come to a page that looks similar to mine. although you will not have any of these on the left. Up here on the top left, you will see Add New Monitor. Click this. Click on monitor type, HTTPS. Name it whatever you want, generally what your bot's name is. So ours was test video bot. You can name this whatever you want, it does not change anything. Now URL, you will copy and paste the link that you took from Glitch, which was this one right here. Paste that here. Make sure this says every 5 minutes, which you can change like that, but you want it every 5 minutes. You must select a contact type if, well, you don't have to, but it is recommended. I will just use my email. Click create monitor. You can close that, and it will say 0% when you first have it, and it will take a little while to do anything, but it is started, and you may now close this glitch window, and your bot will sometimes go offline. If your bot goes offline, there's nothing to worry about. Uptime Robot should turn it back on.